Hey guys, welcome back to Somewhat Simple. I'm Stephanie and I'm here with something super fun today. We are going to make 3 cream cheese dips that use 3 ingredients or less that can be made in about 3 minutes. We're calling this the delicious dip trifecta and you are going to love it. As I mentioned, these dips all use cream cheese because, hello, I love cream cheese. And so this first dip, we're gonna make a chili cream cheese dip, and all you need is a brick of cream cheese and 2 cans of chili. I like to use the cans that have no beans, but you can use whatever you'd like. You're going to put it into a small saucepan over the stove and stir until it's melted and combined. So we have a creamy chili cheese dip. To plate it, I just like to serve it in a small bowl, and I'll serve it with some Frito scoops. These are my favorite combination. This is not sponsored, by the way, I just really like this. So for the next dip, there is actually no cooking required. All you're gonna need is a brick of cream cheese and your favorite salsa or like jelly. I used to love this dip with a roasted raspberry chipotle sauce that they sell at Costco. But when I went at Christmas time to get it, they didn't have it. And then when I went a week ago to look for it, they didn't have it again. So I don't know if Costco doesn't any longer sell it. If they do, grab that because it's delicious. Instead, I'm just gonna use our favorite store-bought salsa. And this is at Costco. It's a roasted pineapple and habanero kind of like glaze or whatever. So those are the 2 I'm gonna be using today. Open your cream cheese and plate it onto a serving tray. Now, if you just wanted to use one of these, you could certainly do that. Just go ahead and just pour a little bit all over the top of the cream cheese. But since I'm doing one side of each, I'm just gonna half this cream cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit of variety to our appetizers and do half salsa, and then half of this pineapple glaze. My favorite thing to serve with this dip is just some wheat thins. Nothing fancy, but so delicious. And then just take a wheat thin and dig on in. All right, we just finished 2 savory dips. Let's make something that is sweet. This is something that will get even the pickiest of eaters to eat their fruits. It is a marshmallow cream dip. Have you tried it? It is so easy to make. All you need is a cup of powdered sugar, some cream cheese, of course, and 1 7-ounce container of marshmallow cream. All right, go ahead and give this a good mix with your handheld mixer. So I like to serve this dip just with a bunch of fruit. The more, the better. So there you have it, 3 delicious dips that use 3 ingredients or less. And I made all of these maybe in 10 minutes. They're so yummy. Sure hope your next party guests love it. It's just proof that you don't have to spend a ton of time or money to make everybody happy. Do me a favor and leave us a comment in the section below and subscribe to our channel by clicking our logo in the bottom corner. We're here every Friday, so come back and see what we're up to next week, and we will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Give my potty guests some variety in their appetizers. I can't even open this stupid salsa. Let's try that again. Can't open this one either.